Hey guys, found a unicorn today. This particular geometry at these different flows are hitting the Walsh's commandments. Thou shalt run red at 28 and 14. Thou shalt run yellow at 22 and 10. And thou shalt run green at 16 and 6. Got really close to the RR. The pressures are really dead on. Let's do a quick run through. Right now I'm running about 15 and change pressure. And there's your pips and peeps. Brian's asking for 6 to 16. We're giving him 7 to 16. RR is 11 and a half. IE looks decent. Let's look at the waveforms. I'll have the PDFs posted shortly. Waveforms look pretty good. So let's crank it up. I've made a whole bunch of these today. This specific geometry. So let's raise the pressure to 19. At 19, I'm going to move the compliance to 38. I learned a little trick too. You can really quickly test a unit's pip and peep by just mashing it down like that. So this thing's gonna pip and peep at 10 to 22. We'll see how it goes. Compliance 38. Compressor kicked on, so that's gonna kind of mess with the waveform for a little bit. BPM picking up, target is 16. $15. Running a pressure right around 19. Seems to be the sweet spot for this device at this pressure and flow. Take a look at the waveforms. Messy here when I was doing that little thing. Here's the flow. You hear the compressor, it's running. Compressor's off. Let's move it up to 25 and see if we can hit red in the same device. Now this is a little bit of an air hog, but I mean, considering it's a device that can give you 3 control points with a single change of input, it's a good sacrifice. Duncan's gonna probably kick up a killer Venturi / oxygen mixing system, so I think that's our next thing to handle. And bear in mind, this is for the CNC version. Additive's gonna have some other things that we gotta deal with, but it's looking pretty good. Let's go to the charts. Brian's asking for 14 to 28. Let's dial down the flow just a hair. Get it to 14. There's 14, 27 and a half, 14, 15, 28. Gave us plus or minus 2 each direction, so that's pretty generous. Look at the BP. 21, he asked for 20. Minute volume looks decent. So yeah, let's take a look at the waveforms. Things look decent. What was the IE again? IE a little bit, could do a little bit better there, but I don't think it's the end of the world. Brian, you'll tell us, right? But considering one device, it's doing a lot. Again, here's the geometry. And I'll be sending these out. I have a whole bunch here ready to go. Monday's a holiday, so we won't be able to ship till Tuesday, so see them Wednesday.